A walkthrough on how to use the Fast Grade tool on CodeHS to grade student work. The Fast Grade tool can be found in the top nav bar under Review, on the toolbox under Code Review, and on the left-hand side under Code Review. So when we click into our grading queue, we can see the class name, the assignments that are currently being sent to you for grading, the number of assignments left to be graded, the student submission feed, which is going to show the time submitted, the number of submissions submitted, the assignment, and the student who submitted it. So when we click into Fast Grade, on the right-hand side, we see the CodeHS recommended solution code. On the left, we will see the student code. This is the code that the student has submitted for grading. And then on the far left, we see the student name, the assignment, the section that the student is in, and the date of this submission. We can then award full credit. This will give them whatever the max number of points you have assigned. So we can go ahead and award Emma full credit. And then the next student's work just pops up. The last assignment was Emma. We now see Oliver's. You can also assign anything within the graded amount, being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or anything above and beyond if a student goes, way above the requirements. So maybe Oliver deserves an 8. We can leave a student comment as well. Great job here. And finalize. This will show the student that their grade has been submitted, take it out of your grading queue, and put a grade in the grade book. We can see now that the assignment is Mia Smith's. Maybe we give her a 5. Let's try this with added functions and say needs work. This will then be returned to the student, where they will see your comment, see the grade, and know that they need to resubmit that for work.